Now this thing make me know they sleep the same room with person. I swear I don't tire.
God
I don't tire. A person go they sleep, they snore. Your snore they sound like say you decide to take a capital. You dey sleep, your snore dey sound enugu.
Wetin be this?
You dey decide you dey enugu. My eardrum don't burst. My ear
Jesus.
I not fit sleep. I go hospital now. Go do test for my ear. Doctor say that my ear need fumigation. So they need to fumigate my ear. Because I go begin to hear word way again. Say my ear need fumigation. They need to fumigate.
My grandma will speak
na environmental. When they do environmental sanitation, they need to sanitize my ear. My eardrum don't burst. Wetin happen? I did my own. One girl call me, girl, one of the year, one girl call me, say, Snow, I dey your city. I miss my last train to go back. Night don't come. That should be that kind 11:30 to 12. I beg. I said, okay, no problem. I asked near train station, not just for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes away. I said, okay, they call house. She come my house. Enter bed.
Bad boy.
Sleep. He never reached 30 minutes when this girl begin to sleep. He never reached 30 minutes. This girl, they snore. My ear. I not fit sleep. See, person like, okay, me where they help you now. You come and ask on sleep. You dey snore like say like you just feel finally you feel at home no wahala, but at least all of now they snore. Those of now they snore. One of they limit the whole and they vibrate the sound.
What did they worry you?
They snore your sound, they sound enugu. If they go enugu, you go enugu. All my ears don't dey pain me. I'm not they use my ear here with the game because of say what I help person. Now why people not they help people? Now why people not just me personally? I know they like sleep the same way with person. I like sleep on my own, but I just read that little help based on that night. Seriously, this ear they pay me. I swear.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry. Do it.
The vibration from the sound is overwhelming. And I need to see. I don't talk. I don't make anybody not come again say miss train. Say you they come, you they go, you come miss train. The night.
You think say they wise?
Pass the night for me, for my house. If you miss train, go find a hotel where you go lodge. Go see. I don't fit the help people. They put my head, my mental health, my everything for. I don't put myself for again because of say I don't tire.
You gonna explain tire.
It's just not be that one.
You go explain because no evidence.
Ah, est-ce que les bébés, si on est